So let's get started to build this beautiful clock. So this is already a build and it's looking quite good, and all these clocks hands and all are moving. So let us create this. Okay, so what I have done, I have already created a just a basic HTML, and with this, let me increase the font size. Okay, so it is running on with live server. So it is showing like this, and running with live server. Okay, so after that, let us start. Okay, so here we are going to have a dot clock, a div of clock, dot and dot hour hand, and okay, let me also add all those things. Style.css and main. So link CSS, style.css, and here script src is main.js. Okay, so this hour end is there, and then and copy it 2 times. Okay, and the second one will be main hand, last one will be second hand. Okay, so this will be like that, and after that, let us go to the CSS styling. Okay, so our style sheet is connected, and also let us see how it is looking. So it is looking nothing because the div contains nothing. So everything we are going to do from the CSS. Okay, one more thing is there. What is that? Okay, I want to add an image here. Okay, so let me do that. So I have this image folder which have got this cloud image, nice cloud image which we are seeing. So this cloud image is there, so we'll add this cloud image here. The main thing is that this cloud image will be added here. So let me do it like that. HTML and background is hash 95 AEB5. URL is images clouds.jpg, and no repeat center, and background size is cover, text align is center, and font size is 10px. Save it, come back here, and it is been shown. Our image has been shown. Okay, okay, so let's go ahead and do the body. Body is margin is 0, and font size is 2 rem. Display is flex. Flex is 1. Min height is 100 vertical height. So this 100 vertical height creates a lot of magic. So align items is center. Okay, so when I do this, see the image will now be completely going down. So that is the magic which it creates. Then we are going to style this clock. So let us style this clock. So I'm here, and then dot clock I will do, and width is 30 rem, height is 30 rem, border is 20 px solid hash FEC1B8, and border radius is 50%, and margin is 50 px auto, and position is relative, and padding is 2 rem. See, this circle is coming now perfectly. Now let us give some box shadow also. Box shadow is have the box shadow. So anyway, box shadow we generally get from a box shadow generator, not need to a lot. Box shadow is like this. Let me give it. See, nice box shadow is there. Okay, so now we have to do for the rest of the hand. So like this hand we have to do, and our hand minute and second hand we have to do. So first the thing which we are going to do is for the hand not hand, and width of 50 px, right of 50%, so we are giving right, height of 6px, background of white, position is of absolute, and top is of 50%, border radius is of 40%, and transform origin is of 100%, and transform rotate is 90 deg, transition timing function. So this is a cubic bezier. It is 0.1, 2.7, 0.58, and 1. Save it. So it is showing nicely. This ends are also showing nicely for this hand. And now we have to do for our hand. width is of 30%, height is of 0.75 rem, dot min hand is of similarly like this only. The width will be of 40% and this will be 0.5 rem. Then dot second hand is like 45% and it is 0.25 rem. Save it. Now, all of them are one after the other. You can see them, but they're not moving, so all of them are showing there only. So all of them are of different width, so that we can differentiate in all of them. Okay, so the next thing which we are going to do is in the main.js. So we have already done it, so we will do that now. And we are going to do const second hand equal to document dot query selector dot second hand. So we're using the document dot query selector. Anyways, I have forgot to give one thing. Okay, but the second hand is okay, and there should be quotes. Okay, so similarly the next one will be means hand. It will be min hand. The last one will be our hand and it will be our hand. Okay, now we have to move the clock. Okay, so for moving the clock, what we are going to do, first thing is the set interval we are going to do. So in the set interval we are going to call a function set date comma every 1 second. Okay, so set date every 1 second, and beside this we are going to call it set date like this also. Why we are calling it like this? Because we want to call it the first time when the script started, so set date will be called like this also. So let us do the set date now. Function set date is const now equal to new date and const seconds equal to now dot get seconds. Yeah, so we're getting the seconds like this, and similarly we'll get the minutes, and also from now we are getting the date, and then from that we're getting the seconds. And now we have to move the clock, move the hand. So const seconds degrees equal to seconds divided by 60 to 360 plus 90 is the second by which it will be degrees will be done, and seconds second hand, so which we are selecting second hand dot style dot transform. I don't know why it is coming style dot transform. So there are many ways to do the handler clock, so this is one of the way. So we are transforming it equal to rotate dollar seconds degrees, which we have just done, and we're rotating it with this degree. So this is how it is getting transformed. Okay, so similarly to this, let me copy this, hope I don't make any mistakes. We'll move the hours and a minute hand. Generally whenever I do like this, I always make mistakes. Means now it will be get, because when you copy paste you make this kind of mistake and get minutes, then instead of sec it will be min degree. Here it will be min divided by 60 into 360. Okay, plus so it is according to how many minutes are there in a hour and all those things. Okay, so based on that calculations into 360 is there, but after this min, or not means, it is mins, because we are taking this thing, this mins we are taking, plus seconds divide by 60 multiply by 6 plus 90 we are going to do, and this is means hands dot style, and this is means degrees. Hope I did everything right. And the last one will be hour, and it will be get hours. This is our degree. It is our degree is been done in a way in which we have hour divide by 12 into 360, and again we will have something like this, but not exactly like this. So let me copy this, at least the structure. So it is means divide by 60 into 30 plus 90. Okay, into 60 divided. Okay, it is like this, and instead of second hand it will be our hand, and this our degree will go here. Hope I did everything right. Let me save it, and it is moving to 18. Yeah, the time is exactly right, 218. It's 218. So this completes our beautiful analog clock, and it is too minimalistic, which there is a thing which is there nowadays, and too good. So hope you liked it, and yeah, it was a short stream, as I stream daily, so daily the streams cannot be a lot. So this is what we did today, and with this I will end today's stream. Hope you liked it, and regarding me, I'm a full stack JavaScript developer and a full-time trainer, and tomorrow I'm going to start my big ReactJS Bootcamp, 5-week intensive bootcamp, 2 weekend bootcamp, so 2 hours daily on a Saturdays and Sunday, 9 a.m. IST to 11 a.m. IST. So if you want to check it out, you can check, the link will be there in the description, you can check it out. And I'm giving a special Diwali offer. It is more than 50% off, so you can avail that offer and learn React from me, and there are many other things which you can see. So this is the update which I want to do, and please do subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Thank you, and thank you.